In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly account, a tool that revolutionizes the way you schedule your meetings by making it seamless for others to book time with you without the back and forth emails. By the end of this guide, you'll have your account set up and ready to go in just a few minutes. First things first, let's head over to the Calendly website. You'll find it at calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll see a few options for creating an account. Calendly is quite versatile, allowing you to sign up using your Microsoft or Google account. For this walkthrough, I'll be using Google as it's a common choice for many. When choosing to sign up with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use. This should be the account where your primary calendar is located, as Calendly will sync with it to check your availability. After selecting your account, Google may ask you for permission to allow Calendly access to your calendar, email, and basic profile information. This is perfectly normal and necessary for Calendly to function properly, so go ahead and click on Continue. After granting the permissions, you'll be taken to the setup process. Calendly aims to understand a bit more about how you'll use the service. You can indicate whether you're using it for personal purposes, for a team, or as a part of an organization. Each choice tailors the setup experience slightly differently. But for now, let's select the options that best fit your needs. Don't worry, these settings aren't set in stone. You can always adjust them later. Next, you'll be asked about the type of meetings you commonly schedule. This could range from one-on-one consultations to group events, or maybe you're not quite sure yet. It's alright if you're undecided. Simply select Other to keep your options open. This step is particularly interesting. Calendly will ask you to describe your role or the kind of work you do. This isn't just for their records, it helps in customizing your Calendly experience. Whether you're a consultant, a sales professional, a teacher, or anything in between, giving Calendly a hint about your job can enhance the tool's relevance to your work. With those details squared away, we move to the calendaring options. Here, Calendly wants to know which calendar it should check for your availability and where it should add new events. Given you're signed in with your Google account, your Google Calendar will likely appear as a choice. Select it to ensure that all your scheduled meetings via Calendly are synced with your actual calendar. Now this is where it gets fun setting your availability. This doesn't lock you into a rigid schedule, but gives Calendly a template to work with. You can specify the days and times you're generally available for meetings. This setup is incredibly flexible, allowing you to block off time for lunch breaks, personal time, or other commitments. Finally, you'll set up your meeting location. This might be a physical address, a phone call, or as is increasingly common, a video call. Calendly integrates with several video conferencing tools to generate unique meeting links for each booking automatically. And just like that, you've configured the basics of your Calendly account. The tool will now take you through a brief tutorial highlighting its key features and how you can use them to manage your schedule effectively. From creating different event types to integrating with other tools and services you might use, Calendly offers a wealth of options to make scheduling as painless as possible. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Calendly is to explore its features and settings. Customize it to fit your workflow. You can always adjust your availability, meeting types, or even the questions you ask attendees when they book a time with you. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your Calendly account. With this powerful tool at your disposal, you can say goodbye to the endless cycle of what time works for you, emails, and spend more time doing the work that matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore Calendly and make it your own.